Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how Editorify works and how you can add some trust to your product page by adding reviews and explainer video. So this is the page I would like to work on. I would like to add explainer video on the top of the description, and I would like to add some reviews below the description. Alright, so first of all, go to your supplier product page and click the Editorify icon. Okay, so let's pick this one. Yeah, the beginning of the product description. I want to add only reviews with photos. So let's pick a few of them. You can change the reviewer name by clicking on this. Let's say pick the product you would like to import these reviews to. And click the Import Now button. Click View. And here you can see the reviews and the explainer video that's been added on the top of the description. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.